Hello, this is Nina from China Printing for You. Now, let me introduce some notebook, journals, books, printing quality in our company. All these books are spiral bending, wire bending. Now, let me show you. This is fabric, hardcover, spiral bend book, journals. We can open it very lightly and easily and fluently. The inner pages is offset paper, very nice bending. The spiral metal is in high quality. The color will not lose. We can use it long term. And the logo we did embossed logo looks very elegant. All the books printing in China printing for you, we will make sure it's very high quality. Now this is spiral bending calendar. We can book it on the desk so we can read it every day. This client keep printing in our company for many years, and they're happy with our quality very much. This spiral hardcover journal have a little special part, that is tab part. Tab. You can find your content easily by this tab. Very nice quality. This is normally used notebook in our daily life and have the elastic band. All the material, such as the spiral band material, the elastic band, and the paper we choose for your books, we will use the very high quality. Now, let me show you the wire bending. The cover is 157 GSM art paper mounted on 3 mm paperboard. The cover is very thick. All the notebook, we can make sure the bending is very strong and it will not have any broken and also lose your pages. So you don't need worry about the quality. If you print your journals in our company, we will make sure you can use it a long time. If any quality problem, we also promise to reprint or refund. Almost all printing clients in our company have very happy results and 100% quality guaranteed. Now let me show you the wire children book. This is soft cover. Children book. If you have any printing job, don't hesitate to contact us. Our email is quote@chinaprintingforyou.com. Our sales will reply you very promptly and professionally on time. Thank you.